Welcome to our channel. If you want to hide your browsing history on YouTube, follow this simple guide to manage your watch and search history for better privacy. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your device or go to youtube.com in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In Settings, select History and Privacy, or navigate directly to History, depending on your version of YouTube. Step 4. Find the Manage All History option and tap on it to access your complete watch and search history. Step 5. To pause history tracking, toggle the Pause Watch History and Pause Search History options to the On position. This prevents YouTube from saving new activity. Step 6. To delete existing history, tap Clear Watch History and Clear Search History and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 7. For additional privacy, enable Auto Delete to automatically remove history older than a specified time period like 3, 18, or 36 months. Step 8. Review your privacy settings to ensure history is managed according to your preferences. Return to YouTube and your history will be hidden as configured. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.